This video will demonstrate how to set up automatic planning rules and how the automatic planning works once those rules are set up. First, I'm going to set up some rules by going to the lesson screen and selecting automatic planning. Now I'm going to pick the lesson I want automatically planned. And that lesson, in this case, will be the third lesson in the cultural area. Now I'm going to select one or more lessons that act as prerequisites or requirements to automatically plan this third lesson. You can choose lesson dependencies from any area or from any place in a sequence. In this case, I'm going to make this simple by simply selecting the first two lessons before this third lesson. I'm going to drag them down here to assign them or link them. Now I'm going to specify what are the requirements that must be met for these two lessons. I'm going to say that the first lesson must be marked proficient for any student, and the second lesson has to be at least marked practicing. When these two conditions are met, this lesson will automatically be planned. Let's see. Now I'm going to go to the Plan Record on Grid screen. Anywhere where you plan lessons, this auto planning will work. I'm going to choose that cultural area, and I'm going to scroll over to this student who has nothing recorded for them. I'm going to start by, let's say I want to plan this first lesson. Then I present it. Later, this person displays an improving status, and now I'm going to record that I witnessed them showing proficiency. That's requirement one. The first lesson has to be marked proficient. The second requirement is that the second lesson has reached at least practicing. So I'm going to do kind of the same thing. I'm going to plan it. I'm going to present it. Now I'm going to fulfill the final requirement, making this lesson marking this lesson as practiced. Watch what happens to this cell or square when that is done. It's automatically planned.